That transition, though, as a company, I'm quite fascinated by that because you're quite, from my understanding of it, you're quite strong in the space now. But that's quite a there is a pivot there. You got to market that, you got to get that out. You've got to obviously have the hardware and the software, and away you go. What were those first few years like, pushing into that market?
Sure. So the first few years, it's kind of a two-pronged approach. One, we needed to build awareness throughout the different markets that we served of what TPMS, tire pressure monitoring systems, actually were. Um, you know, Again, building awareness throughout the customer base that we were going after. Um, what is it? What does it do? And what are the benefits? How can it help the end user fleets? The individual customers that we were targeting. So the first part was that education, that building of the awareness. The second part was making sure we had the right hardware to
Mm.
fit all these different applications.
And
And
so many
that has been
applications.
oh my
Like
gosh,
so
so
many.
many.
Yeah.
When you look at the individual segments of the markets that Doran serves, from the on-highway commercial truck and trailer fleet. When we first came to market, we had a great system that would work for a truck and or a truck and married trailer.
Mm.
And the first thing that fleet said to us was, well, that's great, but one truck is never married to the same trailer in our fleet.
Right. Yeah.
So, you know, part of how Doran has been successful has been to be innovative and bring new products to market, really by listening to what our customers are saying back to us and trying to solve their problems as if they're our own. So soon after the launch of that married truck and trailer system, we launched the SmartLink technology, which
Hmm.
allows one truck to connect to any trailer in the fleet at any time without any driver interaction. There's no button pushing or anything. There's all logic and wireless technology built in to allow that drop and hook functionality.
So
From
this is
there,
within a fleet. So this is within someone's entire fleet. They've got this all interconnected then.
correct.
Yeah.
Then if you look at the off-road space, again, mining, earth mover, construction equipment, and we had and we continue to have a great aftermarket installed system where the owner of a rock quarry can install 3 or 4 wheel loaders and 1 or 2 haul trucks in a matter of hours and have real-time tire pressure and temperature information right there in the cabin for the operator to help protect the tremendous investment that they're making in their rubber tires and improve the uptime of their equipment. From there, they say, okay, well, what else can we do with this? I'd love to sit in my office or sit in my recliner at home and pull up a mobile app on my phone to see all of this type of data and more of a fleet management system. And whether it's the Duran Connect platform or integrating our data with another third party provider to
Mm.
get that data off of the machine, there's been this continual evolution of the Duran technology over the course of this 15 plus years that we've been involved.